All right, in this tutorial we're going to show you how to use your calendar, how to create a calendar, how to create an event within that calendar, and finally how to share that event with other people in your business. So to begin with, you'll log into your cloud account on your server with your appropriate credentials. I'll go ahead and log into mine. Okay, you've got some icons up at the top here. We're interested in the one that says calendar. Now I'm going to share, I'm going to hide these calendars of mine for this tutorial. This is what you're going to find is you have no calendars over here, and I want you to create two calendars, one called personal and one called shared, and this is how you do it. You'll just come over here, type in personal. I'll call that personal 2 just so I can delete those later for my own purposes. And then I'm going to create another one called shared 2. All right? And you'll just create yours as personal and shared. Now, I have no content in these calendars. They both have lights next to them. One's a blue light, one's a green light. You can change those colors by clicking edit and make them any color you want to. I'm going to start off with creating a personal event here on Sunday by just clicking, by the way, on that date. That's on Monday. Okay. Test personal event. And here I tell it what calendar I want it to appear on. I'm going to choose personal 2 in this example. We'll say the event starts today and ends today, and we'll put in a few timetables just to demonstrate how that works. Okay, and if I want to put in more, I can click here, and on the far right you have an option to put in where it is and what it is if you want to type in a long description of what that is. And then we'll go ahead and create that. And you'll see that shows up as a blue line matching the personal, so we can tell at a glance what's what. Now we'll come over here to the shared calendar, and I'm going to create an event on it in the same day. Okay, test shared event, except I'll be careful to choose the shared calendar. And since I'm the one who created this shared calendar, I become the administrator or the owner of this calendar. So if you are the manager and you want to create a calendar for your employees, you don't have to worry about them deleting what you don't want them to delete. You control that entire calendar and anything you share within it. So I'm going to create that. In fact, you know what? I'll go ahead and go to the more area and notice once again that I did say shared here, and somewhere special and a company function. All right. And we'll go ahead and save that. All right, now I'm going to decide who do I want to share this shared event with. So for that, I'm going to come down to this icon right here. This is a universal shared icon with a lot of programs, and I'm going to type in one of the other employees within our organization. And you notice it takes about 2 seconds for it to sort it out and find it. I'll go ahead and add that person. I can choose other. I can add other people, 5, 10, whatever. And they become a permanent addition to this shared calendar. I can remove them at any time. I'm going to give Douglas the ability to edit events that he has that I provide on the shared calendar. Okay, so we're just going to leave that as an example. I'm now going to log out as Jay. And we'll log back in as Douglas. Okay, we're now logged into Douglas's environment. You can see the D up there, and we're going to go to his calendar section. And we notice here that he has a calendar called Shared 2, which didn't exist for him previous to this. And it indicates that I was the one who created it, and it's not turned on. If I click this area right here, it's going to turn it on, assign a color to it, and now you can see the event that I shared with him is now visible in his shared calendar. Conversely, since I gave him the ability to edit this calendar, he can click here, create a new event. Let's just call that Douglas shared event, okay? And we'll select the same shared to calendar. And we'll just go with the default there. I'll create that. All right, and so now he's added one to that same calendar. So when I go ahead and log out as Douglas, log back in as Jay. All right, now switch back over to calendar, and we'll see there's what Douglas shared with me. So that's all there is to it for creating a new calendar, for sharing events with other people and enabling their ability to share them with you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.